The Dixon Q4 results are a significant event in the electronics manufacturing sector. As we analyze the results, it's essential to consider the broader industry trends. The rise of electronics manufacturing services has been a game-changer for companies like Dixon. However, the sector is highly competitive, and companies need to innovate and adapt quickly to stay ahead. One key aspect to watch out for is the company's ability to diversify its product portfolio and expand its customer base. Historically, companies that have successfully diversified have been able to weather economic downturns and come out stronger. The Q4 results will provide valuable insights into Dixon's strategy and its ability to execute. Another critical factor is the impact of government policies on the electronics manufacturing sector. The Indian government's push for domestic manufacturing has created opportunities for companies like Dixon, but it also poses challenges. As we move forward, it's crucial to consider the potential risks and opportunities arising from these policies. The Dixon Q4 results will have significant implications for the industry, and investors will be keenly watching the company's performance. To stay ahead of the curve, it's essential to consider the broader industry trends and the company's ability to adapt and innovate.